Shine bright up all night.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial will be on this eye makeup look. It is red black double cut crease eyeshadow tutorial. If you are interested in knowing how to get this eye makeup step by step, then please continue watching this tutorial. The links to the products that I would be using in the tutorial are mentioned in the description box below. The first eyeshadow that I would be picking from this palette is this. I'm using Wet n Wild palette. Begin applying this eyeshadow on your crease. Move the brush back and forth. Move the brush in circular motion for smokiness. Next, to intensify this, I'm using this eyeshadow. This is deeper than the previous eyeshadow. Blend it with the first eyeshadow. Move the brush in circular motion. Move the brush back and forth and in circular motion. Next, I would be creating full cut crease. Be very careful when you are creating cut crease. Cut your crease line neatly. This wave shape here is very important. Get that wave done right for full cut crease. I am outlining my outer V. After this, begin filling. After you are done outlining, apply concealer on whole of your eye. This is different palette. I'm picking black eyeshadow from this palette. It has black and red both the eyeshadows. It is combo of 3. I have used one palette which has black and red. Find link to this palette in description box below. I'm filling my outer V. Apply the same on your inner corners. When you're applying on your inner corners, you have to leave a little here. Don't cover. Whole of the concealer applied. The outline is important for double cut crease highlighting. Next, I'm using this red eyeshadow which is beside the black eyeshadow. Apply on your eye mid. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. Push it towards the inner eyeshadow to blend it with the inner eyeshadow. After this, I would be using liquid eyeshadow to highlight double cut crease line. The gap that I have left here should be highlighted using liquid eyeshadow. Take a little on the tip of the wand and begin placing. It will take time, take a considerable amount of time. It will take practice for you to achieve it. Place the liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the wand and apply, and you'll be able to achieve it. I'm creating winged eyeliner now. Next, I'm creating pointed inner corner. After this, I would be coating kajal on my waterline. I'm using Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. Next, smudge the kajal on your lower lash line. After this, I would be applying mascara on my eyelashes. Move the wand in upward direction multiple times. And when you're coating mascara on your lower eyelashes, hold the wand vertically. Individual eyelashes are targeted when you hold the wand vertically when you're applying mascara on your lower eyelashes, and it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup tutorial, then please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.